Hey everyone, welcome to Sail with a Mission, and I want to say a huge thank you for an awesome season. I've been looking at sailboats for like the last 7 months on the internet, just trying to see what's out there, getting an idea, and I came across this one. It was on Facebook Marketplace and found this little guy, and I'm gonna go look at it tomorrow. So this is like literally gonna be the first boat that I've ever gone and looked at. I'm pretty excited, but I'm also really nervous because it's a big step.
Hop down here. Okay.
Just bought a boat. Just bought a boat. This isn't supposed to happen in Texas. I got the boat home about a week ago, and there it is, covered in snow. The Duke. I named her the Duke. Kind of like Johnny Cash, a boy named Sue. It's gonna make her tough. She has to live up to that name now. But we are going to try and get that motor started. Oh man, I don't know why I just did that. Yeah, so we're gonna do dumb boat owner things while we don't know what we're doing. So that just happened. Oh my god. I think the plan is going to be underneath the car, on the frame rail, and pull it out a couple feet. So, that's the plan. That actually worked. So, can you tow a trailer with a car? The answer is yes. I just was thinking right now, 11 months in the making. That's how long this has taken to get to this point, is 11 months. So, big journeys sometimes take a lot longer, but well worth it. But hard to believe, 11 months of planning and dreaming and preparation to get to this day. First time rookie here. What's that? That's it, yes. I don't have enough time, and I'm gonna try not to press too much. What started out as a get it done in 20 minutes project is turning into get the drill, get the saw, and finish it on Sunday project. My first project turned into a boat project, turned into a can't get it done tonight project. Take two. Went and got a Dremel, and we're gonna cut that pin out, and then we are going to get the mast up today. So without further ado, step one, successfully out of the marina. So I think this might be the windiest that I've ever sailed. It's gonna be a good day for sailing. So I'm gonna just kind of work on some skills. Yeah, this is fun. Right for each other. Nailed it. Nailed it.
We'll take it slowly. We'll take it slowly. Ease with the breeze.
Seriously, there are no words to describe how beautiful it is right now. It is so bright out right now. It is so bright. I am so excited right now. I'm gonna get the sails up, and within a few minutes we'll be sailing, and it is just beautiful. looks like through all the excitement I've broken a car. The car that holds the jib sheet. So, guess we had a little too much fun tonight. And well, looks like looks like I'll be going back to propandwake.com for another shackle. And that is part of boat life, isn't it? Working over the water. Gosh. Oh. Probably the other rookie mistake. Probably the other rookie mistake was not ordering 2 or 3 of those. A little bit smoother. It's gonna be practice. It's what I got myself into, practice. I want to thank you so much for a great season. You have no idea what this means to me. So, for Sail with a Mission, this is Eric, signing off.